This is how to add custom fonts to your Shopify theme. First off, you'll want to go over to your content and files, and you want to upload the two fonts that you want to use, or one font, and you'll want to add the WAF file and WAF2 file. If you need help converting those, you can use this. I'll leave a link in the description. You'll add your fonts and make sure that you select WAF and WAF2. Once that's done and they're uploaded, go over to the online store. And then you'll want to select these three dots here on the theme you want to edit and go edit code. Don't worry, you won't really need to code. I'll walk you through it. Then you'll want to search for base.css or theme.css, depending on your theme. Click base.css or theme.css, scroll all the way to the bottom, and then you'll want to add this code. I'll leave the link in the description. Below, paste it in all the way at the bottom of the file, and you'll want to name your font and also add the font URLs. So if we go back to our home page, we'll go to content, files, and then we'll grab the link, see this icon here, of the files. So I'll grab WAF first, go over to the code, paste it in the URL here, paste it in the URL here. Then I want to go back and grab the WAF2, and then we'll paste it in here and paste it in here. Now I'm assuming that you want a different heading and paragraph font. If you only want one font for both your paragraph and heading, you won't need the second snippet here, but let's assume that you want a different heading and paragraph font. We'll name the font here, Geist Medium, and I will just delete the dash. Then for your heading, look for the H1, H2 area, and then paste it in here. And then for the paragraph, look for the P area, and then paste it in here. And again, you can have a different heading and paragraph font. You would just need to import two different ones instead of just one. Anyways, this is how to add a custom font. If we click save and then preview our store, we'll see that the font is uploaded.